Hey, what's good guys? This is Wood from Wood Cycles. And today ayusin natin ang napigtal na kadena. This is an 11-speed Shimano Diore drivetrain. And as you can see, ito siya. Yung naputol. Ayan. Na kadena. Manually ko lang kasi itong pinutulan at kinabit. And there's an existing quick link or missing link here. So it came by the package. And this time, I think pwede naman dalawang quick link or missing link ang ilagay natin sa chain. So, the original Shimano quick link would cost you around 700 to 800. Parang ganon yung 11 speed. So, naganap akong alternative and we got the this quick link from Decathlon. So, this is their own brand, which is Between. BT Win. Ito ang resibo. It would cost you if you would buy it. Okay, may bisita. If you would buy it from Decathlon, it's around 420 pesos. Pero, dalawang quick link na siya. So, without further ado, ayusin na natin tong chain ng MTB ko. Nahanap ko yung tripod ko. Para mas makita natin maigi ang pag-install ng quick link from Decathlon. So, ayan siya. Now, where's the other piece? Simple lang. Kabit niyo siya on the other side. There. Like this. Yan. And then, i-lock nyo na. Okay. Same here. On this side. Yan. Once naka-lapat na siya, pull it. There. Okay. Then, ang pinaka common method in making sure that it will lock in place is to pedal it or biglain niya. Since umaangat siya. I think it's locked in place already. Check natin. Yan. So, this is the Shimano. Ito yung from Deca. Nakalock na siya. I think we are all set. Ayan. Swabing-swabe na ulit at pwede nang i-ride. Now that's it for our quick installation and unboxing of the Deca Quick Link. This is again 11 speed. You can get it for around 420 pesos at dalawang quick link or missing link na siya. Alright, hanggang sa susunod na video, this is Wood from Wood Cycles. Thank you.